Thrivecart versus Clickfunnels comparison. In this video, we're going to be talking about Thrivecart and Clickfunnels, okay? And choosing between these two tools is not nearly as hard as you think. I'm going to show you everything you need to know to make a decision in less than 60 seconds. So, basically, sit back and relax. Let me show you everything you need to know, including who each tool is and isn't for, the key advantages of each, my thoughts on key features and pricing, and a whole lot more. So, first of all, the key takeaways. Thrivecart is a shopping cart for improving conversion rates in selling products. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is an all in one tool for making a website, building landing pages, and managing your contacts, creating large funnels. Thrivecart is a simple business like ebooks, courses, and coaching packages. ClickFunnels is as much as an educational tool as it is a business tool. So, most entrepreneurs will need Thrivecart. It's the best course tool. So, yeah. Then getting into more details, Thrivecart's key features are high converting upsells, cross sells, and order bumps, revenue boosting features like subscription saver, ready to go in a few hours flat, and offer more payment options and accept more payments than any other cards. Okay. Then you have ClickFunnels host features, host your website and landing pages in one tool, complex multi step funnels, scale up with marketing features like email marketing and blogging, helpful education to sharpen your game and get to the next level. So, both of these have great, incredible features, and they both are free to sign up. So, according to this, do make sure to check out whichever one you think is best. In my opinion, I would suggest Thrivecard because it's newer and it's much better, in my opinion. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.